36 years ago, when I received my training within the police force, it was about being physically good. It was about being an officer who can carry a gun and a baton, and being an officer who can run behind of someone and detain them. That was 36 years ago. Strange, huh? 36 years ago, I didn't have a cellular phone. 36 years ago, there were no cameras on the street. 36 years ago, law enforcement did not know what is DNA. This organization, the police officer of today, I can assure you, is not a police officer that walks with a baton and a gun, and that's the only thing he can do. The numbers I mentioned were results of what our police officers can and are doing. They are results. So the officer of today is expected more than any other profession within St. Martin to learn and relearn every day. Speaking about diversity, law enforcers must diversify the way of doing their job. Every day you find a new way that somebody finds to do a crime. A learning organization, that is how we want people to perceive us as the police force of St. Martin.